The focus will now be on the allies. Nitish Kumar on one end and Chandrababu Naidu. And now I have news coming in from the Janata Dal United camp. JDU MLC already dropping the big ambition hint. Remember, there's always been speculation that the JDU leader, Nitish Kumar, has Prime Minister's ambitions. Could that come in the way right now? JDU MLC is batting for Nitish Kumar. It's already started. The leaders of the JDU already pitching for Nitish Kumar to become the next Prime Minister, while it is clear Namo 3.0. But of course, JDU supporters ally matters. JDU MLC Dr. Khalid Anwar has said, who can be a better Prime Minister than Nitish Kumar? Let's listen in to what this JDU MLA has said. While it is Modi 3.0 और इस picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
नीतीश कुमार जी से बेहतर कौन हो सकता है प्रधानमंत्री? नीतीश कुमार एक सीजन और बहुत बेहतर पॉलिटिशियन है जो समाज को समझते हैं, देश को समझते हैं और अपने डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशन जितने हैं उनकी इज्जत करना और डेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से आगे बढ़ना, लोगों को जोड़ के चलना, फैसले में सबको साझा करना, तो नीतीश कुमार जी से बेहतर कौन हो सकता है? लेकिन बहरहाल हम लोग एनडीए अलायंस में हैं अभी और ये सब इस वक्त कहने की बात नहीं है, लेकिन नीतीश कुमार पहले भी थे, लोग चाहते थे कि वो प्रधानमंत्री बने, आज भी लोग चाहते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि इस रिजल्ट के बाद उनसे उम्मीदें लोगों को ज्यादा बढ़ी.
So I want to bring in Aditya Vaibhav, who's reporting all the latest on Bihar. Aditya, though we are not surprised, of course, the Janata Dal United has its leaders who've mentioned this earlier as well. But very interesting, not wasting any time. This morning, the first reaction comes in from the Janata Dal United on PM candidate references. You tell me, what are we expecting from JDU today?
Well, exactly. As far as Janata Dal United camp is concerned, they have been very clear and very categorical as far as their stand on the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar being a PM material person is concerned. And that being said, JDU MLC Dr. Khalid Anwar reiterated the party's old stand on what he actually said, that Nitish Kumar is a seasoned politician who understands the society and the country and values the democratic institutions. So this is what Khalid Anwar had to say. But this is a clear defined line of the Janata Dal United, be it today or be it 2 years back, that most of its party leaders, they continue to back for Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar as Prime Minister candidate. But that being said, of course, JDU is part of the NDA conglomerate, and
yes.
JDU spokesperson KC Tyagi has categorically reasserted his faith and his party's faith in the alliance. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires next. But then we've been given to understand that Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is likely to take a morning flight to Delhi and is likely to attend the NDA meet in Delhi.
Well, already there are all sorts of memes and jokes on social media saying, can he switch? Could he be considering his options? All that and more, which clearly means that the situation is still on right now. Do update us, Aditya, as and when he leaves and departs for Delhi. Meanwhile, remember, the focus will be on the allies now. And there's a reason for it, both for the India bloc as much for the National Democratic Alliance. The India bloc has fallen short of the target, and they'll be strategizing constantly for future with the initial hiccups that have come. But the focus will be for the NDA and even for the India bloc on what do Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu decide. Naidu in alliance with the NDA as of now, 16 seats in his kitty. Nitish Kumar has about 12, that makes it 28. It's very crucial right now with regard to the majority mark. Sources tell India Today that Sharad Pawar has dialed Chandrababu Naidu, Naveen Patnaik, Nitish Kumar soon after trends became clear. Nitish and Naidu, the two ends here, will be in Delhi this evening. Now, there is an India bloc and there is an NDA that will be in a huddle. BJP, in many ways this time, they have definitely become the single largest party. But could the kingmaker come in from one of these allies?
जिस दिन हमारा गठबंधन हुआ इंडिया, उसी वक्त हम सारे लोगों ने तय किया था कि किसी व्यक्ति को लेकर नहीं, लेकिन ये जो तानाशाही है देश में, उसको खत्म करना चाहिए, देश का संविधान बचाना चाहिए, फिर चाहे सब मिलकर प्रधानमंत्री का उम्मीदवार हम तय कर सकते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि कल वो हो जाएगा.
আমি কি বলেছিলাম, তোমাদের দুটো সিট দিচ্ছি, তোমাদের একটাও এমএলএ নেই, দুটো সিটেই জিতে যাবে। আর আমি বলেছিলাম তোমরা ইন্ডিয়ার সাথে অ্যাডজাস্টটা করো সবার সাথে, তাহলে তুমি 100 সিট পাবে। আমার কথাটা মিলেছে কি মেলেনি?